What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly step by step on how to get your automated Shark Pro bot set up. So the first step that you need to take is download the file that we're going to be sending you through Discord or email on your computer. Now, once you've done that, it's going to look exactly like this right on your computer. Now, once you've done that, you're going to want to connect it directly to your MT5 trading platform. Now, if you don't have MT5 set up on your computer yet, you can download it directly from your broker's website. All right, now what you want to do next is log into that broker account right through your MT5 platform. From there, you're going to want to go up to File on the top left corner and you're going to select Open Account. And from there, you're going to look up the broker that you are using and you're going to hit Find Your Company. For example, I'm with OX Securities, so I'm going to look up OX Security, hit Find Your Company, and as you can see, it's going to pop up right down here for me. So from there, you're going to hit Next, and you're going to go all the way down here. You're going to select Connect with an existing trade account, and you're going to use the login that your broker sent you directly to your email. Now, once you are logged in, it's going to look exactly like this. If you go down to the Trade tab right at the bottom, you're going to see your account balance and any open orders that you currently have right below. When you go to the History tab, you're going to see all the trades that you've taken on this specific account. Now it's time to install the bot directly on MT5. To get the bot connected to your MT5 account, we're going to hit up File and we're going to go directly to Open Data folder. We're going to go to MQL5 and we're going to select Expert right over here. And what you want to do now is you want to copy this file that we sent you and paste it directly over here. So once you've done that, you're going to go to your Navigator panel right over here and you're going to right click on Expert Advisors and you're going to hit refresh. And once you've done that, when you scroll down, you're going to see SharkAlgo Pro right over here. So now that you got the bot set up on your MT5 account, it's time to get it all going so that you can automate your trades. And in order to do that, we're going to need to get our chart and settings set up. Luckily for you, we got preset settings that are preset for you in our Discord channel. All right, now let's bring up the Discord server to take you through the presets that are available to you. You're going to want to scroll all the way down until you find the Shark Pro presets. And as you can see, you've got 5 different options that you can explore right over here. For this example, we're going to use the preset number 5. As you can see with presets number 5, it's telling us that we need to be charting on a USD JPY pair. Now let's head back over to MT5, activate the USD JPY chart. Now, if you don't see it in the watch list on the left side right over here, you're going to have to add it. So let's go ahead and type in USD JPY right over here. And as you can see, it's going to pop up right at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and select it. And once I select it, I'm going to hit the little white space right below. And that's going to add it right to my list right over here. Now, right click over here and you're going to hit chart window. Okay, so now we've got the USD JPY chart open right over here. Next up, we're going to set up the time frame based on the presets that we have in the Discord channel. All right, now to set up your time frame, as you can see, we can't see the 3-minute time frame over here. So what you want to do is you're going to hit up charts. You're going to scroll down to time frames and you're going to go to minutes and hit the 3-minute time frame just like that. Now it's finally time to add the trading bot to the chart. Scroll down and right click on SharkAlgo Pro and you're going to hit attach chart. Now, when you do that, you're going to have a pop-up that looks exactly like this. You want to make sure you select both boxes, and then you're going to go up to the Inputs tab, and you're going to make sure that these settings match the exact settings that are given to you in the Discord server. From there, you're going to hit OK. Now, as you can see, the SharkAlgo Pro has been added to the chart. Now, to ensure that the bot is online and trading for you, you're going to want to hit the Algo Trading button right over here. Now, once you do that, you're going to notice that the little hat up here has turned from white to blue, and that's an indicator that the bot is now live. And if you ever want to edit your settings, all you have to do is simply double click the hat. And that is pretty much it for the Shark Pro setup. Now make sure you don't miss the next video if you want to learn how to backtest this bot yourself. That way you can come up with your own settings.